lyd på?
Er der lyd på?
Hallo!
Welcome to today's video.
What's up? Who knew that Amazon packages would work like a microphone holder?
They do.
So
this is our first real unboxing video together.
Yeah.
Ever. I feel like a real YouTuber today because I'm unboxing.
And we told you in a previous video that we are about to become professional wild campers, and also I'm a professional gear collector. So
Jon is a gear guy.
I spent way too much time researching.
And money.
We've never tried any of this before, so take it with a grain of salt, but don't take my research skills with a grain of salt.
Ah!
Oh, what is this?
Ooh, I know this is our mugs.
Oh yeah.
We got titanium mugs.
So we bought these because
They're light.
titanium is super light, and these cups had excellent ratings. Well, all of this has excellent ratings.
But also it has this little bag so that you can just attach it on the side to your backpack.
Plus, it has a lid, so when you're in a cold environment, your coffee will be kept warm.
But why?
But it's weird. It's weird.
Why doesn't the lid stick though?
That is strange. I mean, it's easy to lose it, I guess.
To lose?
This one has a lot of different stuff. First
Ooh,
of all,
the tent.
the tent.
Oh my god, it's so heavy, Jon.
It's really heavy, actually.
We decided to get this huge tent.
No, actually, this was one of the most difficult things to find, because we want a tent that's lightweight, but also with room. So, for example, if it's raining, we can still sit inside. This one is 7.2 kilos, and I thought it was 4.2 kilos. I must have mixed. I looked at so many different tents.
We will just bring a lens or drone list.
It's 7.2, like that's so much. This is gonna be such a nightmare.
This should actually be one of us only carrying this one. Then.
Okay, I can carry more than 7 kilos. Oh, I mean, this is for you.
Oh, this is very nice because, as you can probably guess, I'm also gonna cook when we go on our camping tours, and we're not gonna eat only canned tuna and beans when we go.
Mainly, she's even gonna make episodes for her cooking show. How's it cooking?
Good looking. So this is basically a set of kitchen knives.
With even a cutting board.
With a little cutting board. It's super light and it has a bottle opener.
Wow, look at this.
Oh, yeah.
This is a real knife. It's French. It looks like professional cooking gear, actually.
It's super cool. It's gonna be interesting to see when I cut off my fingers.
Very cool how it just slides into itself. Oops.
Yes.
Oh, it's our airbed.
Oh, this is our airbag?
Very important.
So this basically, it inflates itself, right?
I'm actually not sure about that.
30 minutes later.
Okay, we're gonna buy a pump for this because this. But this is 2.4 kilos, and so for us, one of the most important things is that we are sleeping comfortable. I don't want just a thin rubber mat. So this was the best and lightest we could find. It's 140 wide, 2 meters long. Not super thick, but thick enough that you feel like you're on a bed. And it's so hard to find good ones. This is the only one I could find on Amazon.
That had good
ratings.
Yeah. Ow.
Whoops.
It's a backpack.
It's a backpack.
That's all it is. It has a lot of pockets.
This is where we will be carrying most of our stuff, actually, because
if it can fit.
well, this is 75 liters or
Okay,
something.
so it's big.
It's super big because you can actually extend it upwards like so.
It has so many pockets, and for some reason I really love pockets. I don't know, like the more pockets, the more fun.
And then the idea is that you can put, for example, the tent on.
Yeah, and then seal it.
I mean, I will be walking with maybe 30 kilos before we're done. It's gonna be like, very difficult.
Good thing we don't have back problems already.
This one is actually, it's an Amazon basic product. Amazon, they make their own products. So, but this has excellent reviews. It was not too expensive, but quality is supposed to be good.
And it's not heavy. It's a very light backpack, which is important when you're gonna stuff it with heavy stuff.
Yeah. I mean, I'm still scared of carrying. Remember, two people have to carry all of this, and this is not even our gear.
Then we have camera gear, we have food, we have water, we have lava stuff. It's gonna be tough.
Plus our clothing.
The whole. Ooh, this is interesting. This is something where Jon and I didn't really agree if we needed it or not. Because Jon insisted that we bought a table. And I'm like, well, we are in the forest. We can just find like some tree to sit on.
Well, this is not a chair, it's a table, Amalia.
Yeah, but you can, I mean, it's fine. I'm probably gonna be happy that we have it.
It's super lightweight and doesn't feel anything. And I mean, I think when we're going to eat, it's very nice to have some table to sit at with our coffee or whatever.
No, it's gonna be nice, and it's gonna also be good. Just it's fine.
It's gonna be good.
This is a titanium cutlery, so it doesn't weigh anything.
Like the cups?
and I mean, it's very cool and everything. It's very cool. I'm wondering if titanium is healthy to eat from.
Yes, it is. It's actually very expensive.
I very much like how I can just detach it here. It's cool.
And then we have a Swiss knife.
Victorinox, of course, right?
Victorinox, yeah. This has 27, I believe, or 31 different functions. You never know whenever one of them can come to handy. So this is actually, we've been waiting for this for a month almost.
It's a jet boiler.
This is like the cream of the crop of cooking in the nature, and I am so excited to use this.
This is where Jon has been doing research because I didn't even understand how you needed something special. I thought you just needed like a little gas stove, but apparently.
Well, I mean, you can get a gas stove, but it's not very convenient.
So you're gonna attach this to it.
Yeah. But we have to go to Decathlon to buy one of those gas things.
Yeah.
You set it on top. But yeah, it's kind of expensive, but also worth it because this boils water in under a minute. Also, this is another unboxing for Amalia.
Yeah, I want to do this one. It's heavy.
This is for 4 persons, but I wanted the best ones because after we found out that when you use pots and pans, most of them you buy in your hardware stores, they're actually filled with toxins like PE, PO, like there's a host of different chemicals they put in all the cheap ones. Yeah. This one is all of stainless steel.
Yeah, that's why it's so heavy. I love how it's like
compact.
You can wrap everything together here. That's very cool.
This has everything for 4 people. How much does it have? It's a 21-piece set.
In here, that's...
Okay, look, you can see everything it has. It has all of this.
Oh, this is very cool, Jon.
Thank you very much.
This is only for Jon because I'm a lady. I don't use this. I don't need it.
And obviously, this is not for something we're going to bring because this is 48 rolls of bamboo toilet paper.
This is biodegradable toilet paper, and it's even good for the soil. So when you leave it on the soil,
is it?
It's well, it says so. I guess.
So for example, I mean, when I have to go to the bathroom, I can leave this behind with good conscience, because this will actually degrade very fast.
Ooh, la, 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 la.
Our sleeping bags. Maybe she insisted that we didn't get a double sleeping bag.
Yes, I don't want to share because when Jon sleeps,
we have to keep warm together.
I cannot keep warm together with you, honey, because you take the duvet from me.
I can't do that if we're in a double sleeping bag.
You will find a way.
Comfort range 15 to 7 Celsius degrees. What does that mean? I mean, okay, so it's not for...
It can go down to 0 degrees.
Yeah, okay.
It says here.
But it's not comforting. What does this mean? But look how little. It's super light. This is my utensil kit.
But why could I not have that one?
Because
it's very cool. It's very masculine, that's why.
Look at this. This is so cool because
It's cutlery.
Look at this. This is a fork, a knife, and a spoon, and it even has a bottle opener. So
We
now,
have three
now
bottle
we have three
openers
bottle
now.
openers.
Well, they know us.
That last package here. What is all this?
Ooh, I haven't seen all of this, Jon.
Trichology. This is chairs. I thought I didn't buy the chairs.
Yo, why do you get chairs? We are in nature, we don't need chairs.
I thought I didn't buy the chairs.
This is very cute, very green.
Very green.
So when you need to go and use the bamboo toilet paper during night,
Yeah.
you can simply do it.
No, you turn it up here.
It needs battery. No?
Where are there not batteries with?
What is this?
This is a flashlight. Oh my god, they need huge batteries. Ugh. But the cool thing about this is that in the top of the tent, in the dome, you can hang it like this or like this.
Especially if you like mosquitoes, then it's
And
perfect.
well, it has a mosquito net. The tent.
I know, I'm just joking.
Luke, I am your father. I see dead people. Long, short. Maybe it have SOS. Oh yeah, this is SOS. I'm guessing.
Toot, toot,
What
toot.
is it called? Like
Toot, toot,
Morse
toot, toot,
coding.
Morse coding.
SOS.
What is this then? It's like dum,
This
dum,
is
dum,
like
dum,
parties
dum,
on.
dum, 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 dum. This is the easy part of camping, just unboxing all the fun things that we bought.
Now we have to pack this down in 2.5 bags. And what do we do with fridge? Are we gonna carry the fridge too?
It depends on our first trip. We are not gonna go hike super much. We're just gonna find a nice place, right?
Okay.
So we can carry stuff.
If you're interested in all of this, we have linked all the things in the description below. If you want to go hiking or camping, because I don't think there's anything more relevant in these times we live in than being in the
By
middle.
yourself in the middle of nowhere.
I mean, I love the idea of that. So Amalie, let's go.
Let's go camping.
See you guys.
Ciao.
Ciao, 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 ciao.